One of the most shocking rulings ever made, the Labour Court in Nairobi has awarded former PS Lillian Omolo, get this, 1 shilling for unlawful dismissal from work. Justice Stephen Radido said the removal of Omolo from office in June 2018 was against the law. Omolo is at the heart of the 9 billion shilling 2018 NYS heist, as Rano Buyena reports.
The judge ruled that the removal of the former Youth and Gender Principal Secretary Lillian Omolo from the government's payroll was unconstitutional. Ms. Omolo was dismissed from service after being charged with several counts of fraud relating to the Season 2 NYS heist millions. The Employment and Labour Court Judge Stephen Radido has now ordered the state to give Ms. Omolo a 1 Kenya shilling compensation for the breach of her rights. In awarding the former PS 1 bob, Radido said Ms. Omolo was not subjected to due process, nor was she given reasons for the removal from office under the hand of the president. She was ingeniously notified that her tenure had ended because a replacement had been appointed. The court says it rules as such because Ms. Omolo, who has a string of charges on her name, has been found to possess unexplained wealth and that the amount awarded was adequate compensation for the violation of her rights. Ms. Omolo has filed an appeal against High Court ruling that declared more than 33 million held in her various accounts as proceeds of crime. Omolo had sued the state saying that she was still presumed innocent and was entitled to half pay. In its response, the government says that Ms. Omolo, being a presidential appointee, held an office of public trust, and that she had been charged with corruption offenses. She was suspended as outlined under Section 62 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act. Brian Obuya, KTN News.
Now, the sudden spike in the number of COVID-19 cases will not lead to